Want to pass the DMV driving test? Well, road signs is your one-way ticket to DMV success. Master these 40 US signs and pass with ease. Ready? Let's go. Stop sign. Come to a complete stop and proceed when the road is clear. Traffic light ahead. Alerts drivers to an upcoming traffic signal. Roundabout. Marks a circular intersection ahead. Yield sign. Slow down and give right-of-way to other traffic. Pedestrians crossing. Marks an area where pedestrians cross the road ahead. Speed limit. Marks a posted speed limit in an area. No U-turn. Prohibits making U-turns in an area. School zone. Slow down and watch for children. Workers ahead. Alerts drivers to road works ahead. No left turn. Left turns are prohibited in the area. Parking area. Designated area for parking vehicles. No right turn. Right turns are prohibited in the area. Stop sign ahead. Alerts drivers to an upcoming stop sign. Two-way traffic. Indicates traffic flowing in both directions. Divided highway begins. The road splits into two separate directions. Weight limit. Vehicles over the posted weight are not allowed. Winding road. Marks a roadway with multiple curves ahead. Yield sign ahead. Tells drivers to yield to other traffic ahead. Railroad crossing ahead. Marks an area where trains cross ahead. Road narrows. The road becomes narrower ahead. Divided highway ends. Marks the end of a divided roadway ahead. Narrow bridge. The bridge is narrower than the road. No parking. Parking is not allowed here. Do not enter. Entry is prohibited in this area. T-intersection. The road ends at a T-shaped intersection. Steep grade hill. Marks a steep or upward slope. Falling rocks. Warns drivers of falling rocks and debris. Crossroad. Indicates a four-way intersection ahead. Side road, left. Indicates a roadway joining from the left. Y intersection. The road splits into two directions. Deer crossing. Marks an area where deer cross the road. Crosswind sign. Watch out for strong side winds that affect vehicles. Bicycle route. This is a designated route for bicycles. Airport. Marks an airport or air traffic nearby. Emergency vehicle. Tells drivers to watch out for emergency vehicle activity ahead. Snowmobile. Marks an area where snowmobiles may cross the road. Flagger ahead. Directs traffic flow in a specific direction. Slippery when wet ahead. Warns drivers of slippery road conditions ahead. Offset side roads. Mark side roads enter from both sides. Wrong way. You are driving in the wrong direction. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, drop your thoughts in the comments below. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with the latest road sign training. See you soon.